contact siya. I think that that comment was uncalled for. I don't know why he mentioned that hindi ko alam kung bakit how he came up to that conclusion.
Pero offensive ba para sa
Of
inyo?
course, very offensive.
Ano uminin mo na bakit pero bang inaatake yung kanina si...
Ano, no?
Ano uminin mo na bakit yung senator doon may nangyari pag-atake ng karakter? Ano bang ganun?
Wala naman. Wala naman.
Sen, how do you feel about Senator Erwin's remarks kanina na patama po sa mga...
As I mentioned earlier, that statement of his was uncalled for.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if he has contact with the courts at sigurado na kami makukulong. I don't know.
Any actions, sir? Ethics
Are you
committee?
favor with
Yung
Mark
patulan niya.
Calenta's motion?
Yes.
Why, sir?
Sir, why is there a need to hurry po with the motion, sir?
Bakit kailangan talakayin na today yung motion? Bakit kailangan ng talakayin today yung motion?
May mahipit cellphone.